Why are interrogatories critical in family law discovery? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. That's what family law cases can feel like without the right information. Interrogatories are like a tool to gather those missing pieces. They are written questions that one party sends to the other, asking for specific facts about finances, parenting, or other important issues. The answers must be truthful and sworn under oath, making them a formal legal record. This process helps uncover details that might not be obvious or easy to find. In divorce cases, interrogatories are especially helpful for revealing financial information. For example, a spouse can ask about income sources, bank accounts, debts, or property ownership. This is important because in equitable distribution cases, knowing exactly what assets and liabilities exist can influence how property is divided. Sometimes, one spouse might hide assets or claim certain property as separate from the marriage. Interrogatories can expose these issues by asking detailed questions about assets and liabilities. When it comes to child custody and support, interrogatories help gather facts about each parent's daily routine, work schedule, and involvement with the children. For instance, questions might include how often a parent sees the children, what activities they do together, or how they handle discipline. These details can be used to support or challenge custody arrangements and support calculations. They give the court a clearer picture of each parent's involvement and stability. Another key reason interrogatories are so important is that they help spot inconsistencies. Because answers are given under oath in writing, they create a permanent record. If a party's story doesn't match other evidence or testimony, it can be used to question their credibility. This can be useful during negotiations or in court to support your case. Interrogatories also help attorneys prepare better. By knowing facts early, they can plan which witnesses to call, what documents to request, and how to build a strong case. Since there are usually limits on how many questions can be asked, often around 25 in federal cases, attorneys must choose their questions carefully. This makes interrogatories a strategic tool to focus on the most important facts. It's important to remember that interrogatories are only served on parties involved in the case, not on third parties. The answers are written and sworn, giving them the same weight as testimony in court. Many courts also provide standard forms called from interrogatories, which cover common issues like finances and debts. These forms make the process quicker and easier. Overall, interrogatories are a vital part of family law discovery because they help gather clear, sworn facts about finances, parenting, and other key issues. They create a reliable record, help find inconsistencies, and support case preparation. All of this leads to better negotiations and stronger cases in the courtroom.